The Brita Stream Pitcher. Water filter provides an effective solution for individuals looking to enhance the quality of their drinking water. Made of durable plastic, this product is designed to withstand regular usage and deliver long-lasting performance. With dimensions of 6.85 D into 1.93 W into 4.41 H and weighing only 0.2 pounds, the Brita Stream Pitcher water filter is compact and easy to handle. Its compact size makes it suitable for small spaces, such as apartments or offices, without compromising its filtering capabilities. One of the key advantages of this product is its ability to reduce chlorine. Chlorine is commonly used to treat tap water, but its taste and odor can be unpleasant. By using the Brita Stream Pitcher water filter, you can enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water by effectively removing chlorine and other impurities. Furthermore, the Brita Stream Pitcher water filter has received external testing certification from the FDA, ensuring that it meets stringent quality.